Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. Now you're gonna work here with this song and the strumming pattern on Diplo Without You featuring ELLE King. It's a fast strumming song here, but challenging with that part. Otherwise, it's pretty easy. 4 easy chords. So let's dive into this one. We have the capo set here on the 1st fret. And we're gonna go over chords first. So the first one will be A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next. It's a bar chord, so you place a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next is C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And we have finally here the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so like I said, you're gonna strum fast here. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern with the A minor, since that is the 1st chord. It goes like this slowly. So it's down, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna play the down, down if you really wanna nail it. So place the 1st down on the bass strings on the strumming here, and then the 2nd down a little bit below there on the mid or top string. So down, down, and then comes the up, down, up. Preferably here on the top strings, the higher notes. So, and that will be one string around. So down, down, up, up. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. One way to handle this in a good way or easy way is to relax in your strumming hand. If you really tension it and try too much, it will be stiff and you will fail. So just try to relax and work the pattern into your muscle memory, so to speak, and then just go. All right, so that is the challenge here in the song. Now let's take a look at the different parts, and they're very similar here. For the verse, you can go with 2 different ways. We have very prominent bass melody here, or just a melody here in the verse. It goes like this slowly. Again. And then comes this. Strumming. Alright, so what you do here is to play 2 rounds of A minor, 2 full strumming rounds. And then you can start on the 3rd round with the 2 downs. Alright, so the down, down. And then instead of playing the up, down, up, you play... then comes that part. Okay, so that is open G note and then 2nd A, and then you go into the next chord. So these 2 notes replaces the up, down, up. Okay, so slowly like this. And then you continue. So that is A minor plus the notes. And then you continue with 3 rounds of C and 1 round of G. That is one way of playing it. If you want to skip the notes, all right, then you're gonna play A minor 3 rounds, 3 full rounds, then F1. Then you continue in the same way with C3 and G1. So like this. Or So there you have the verse in two different ways, with the notes or without. Now let's take a look at the chorus parts. It's very similar. Now just a little bit different when the timing comes here in the beginning. You're gonna play A minor 2 only and F2. And then you play C3 and G1. Same strumming, it goes like this. Then we have a final part. It's a bridge part. It starts about 1 minute and 59 seconds into the song. Here you're gonna play just one down per chord. The chord progression will be A minor, F, and C. And the timing here will be, think that A minor is worth 3 in value, then comes F, 1, and then comes C right after the F there. And with the C, you play 1 down and a long pause, and then it continues again. So A minor, 2, 3, F, C, long pause, and A minor, 2, 3, F, C. So that's how you handle the bridge part, and then back again to the different parts, verse and chorus. So you got the tools here to handle a song without you. So I really hope this was helpful. If it was, please let me know in some way. The best way is to subscribe to this channel and perhaps leave a cute comment or so. I read everything. So thank you for your support, guys, and play tuned.